Alright, I'm going to try to do this in one shot. I hope it's not making that much noise. I have this right up against my furnace and it's cold. I need the heat. Alright, so you start off, of course, peeling it back a little bit. And you stick it on the edge. Try to get as straight as you can. And once you get the first inch going, look how quick it goes. It just follows itself around. Just push, push, push. It's pretty easy. I go about 6-8 inches and I use my heat gun, activate that 3M glue. Alright. As long as you feel it's a little warm, that's good. It's fine. And just continue. It's fairly easy. Once you get it going, I did it with the tape years ago. Oh my goodness. It took me half the day to do 4 wheels. Because I had to redo it. I'm a little bit of a perfectionist. And it wasn't straight going around. And it just makes it so easy. Very easy. And of course, once you have to do one wheel, you know, the next one's going to be easier and easier. Alright, so that's almost halfway. A couple of minutes. It's not that I'm in a rush, it's just easy to do. Very simple. Hope it stays on. And I hope it lasts. I mean, the tape had no weight at all. This really has got no weight either. You can actually feel it. Put your fingernails on the tire and you can actually feel the distance. Nice and even. I know from doing moldings and stuff like that, the key is get that glue nice, as warm as you can. It's going to stick. It's going to really stay put. Like I said before, you know, go after the stuff that has 3M on it, and you really can't go wrong. Alright, I don't think you can see me. I'm down at the bottom. I couldn't get the camera to go down there, but I'm getting there. Almost there. Almost done. I don't know, was it 3 minutes? How long? You gotta make these rims look the best they can, you know. They're old rims, old style, original from the car. And you gotta spruce them up a little bit. Make them look halfway decent. Getting there, getting there. See, as I go along, I pull the plastic from the adhesive. I mean, you could do it, you could measure it to pull this all off, but then you got the chance of debris getting on the glue and not sticking. I'd rather be nice and fresh going right up to it. This way I know I'm going to get the best adhesion as possible. Adhesion. Alright. What am I getting there? It's looking good. This is actually the hardest part, what I'm coming up to. Is getting it to meet up. Watch what I do. Let me get a scissors. Alright. Now, they give you extra with this stuff, you know, so, you know, an inch here and there, you know, you can spare. It's no problem. They give you plenty. Because they do it, they give you enough from, I think, 15 inch to 22 inches. These are 16-inch rims. So I know I got extra. But I just cut off close to it, but not right up to it. Just so you get an idea where I am. Because here, you cut this too short, that's it. You'll be very unhappy. So what I do is, I go little by little, a little bit more, until I see where I can actually pick it up and put it in there. I'm not going to just meet it. I'm going to go, it's going to be a little extra. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to push this and make it like it buckle a little bit. See it buckling? And then I'm going to push it in. This way you're going to get a real tight fit. You're going to hardly see that seam. Actually, it's too much. It's got to go a little bit more. Alright. Heat that up a little bit. I'm touching that glue. My thumb, I'm going to soften it up a little bit. Okay, this should do the trick. I'm going to push it in, let it buckle up a little bit, and push that. There you go. That's pretty good. It's a nice clean seam. I mean, the eye will never catch that little seam there. So little. Heat it up a little bit more. Because if it's going to come apart, it's going to come apart from here. Nowhere else. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Alright, now I'm just going to go around the whole thing one more time. Make sure that adhesive is nice and soft, gooey. Between the hairdryer and my furnace, I don't think you can hear me. But better than music, right? I guess, I don't know. That's good. That's good. That's good. Alright. That's it. I don't know. Would it take 5-6 minutes? I guess. I don't know. One more wheel to go. But I don't have to show you. Now you guys know how to do it. For the ones that didn't know how to do it, of course. Anyway. That's good. Actually, they give you enough to do like 5 wheels. Maybe they're thinking about your spare tire. I don't know. Maybe. I wouldn't do the spare. Yeah, not that much of a fanatic. Alright. Looks good. Nice and neat. Yeah, my timer says 11 minutes from start to finish. So that's not bad. 10, 20, 30, 40 minutes. Less than an hour to do the whole car. Yep. It looks good. Yeah, I made a video. I did hood stripes. Oh, maybe a month or so ago. Yeah, they're looking good. Here's another look how this looks from this direction. Looks pretty good. See my red calipers back there. Yeah. Like I said, you know, you got to make this old stuff look the best you can. Eventually, when these tires wear out, I'm probably going to get some aftermarket rims. I have a couple in mind. I like the Grand Sport. They have replicas for from 84 to 86. You know, same bolt pattern. I hate using spacer plates. I wouldn't do it. No way. I don't like the look of them. Not that they're safe or not, or nothing like that, but I just don't like them. I just don't like the way they look. Brings the tire out much further. If you want to bring the tire out further, just work with the offset. Get the offset rims that you want. You know, it's not the way to do it. But anyway, thanks for watching. Hope this helps out anybody that's looking to do this to their rims. Yep, pretty easy. Put a link in the description to eBay, and it's a pretty good price, like under $10 to make them look pretty good. I mean, it's, you know, not bad for $10. All right, thanks for watching.